Pressure holding steady at 50,000 psi.
Confirmed. The curvature is within tolerance.
Acknowledge synchronization. Proceed to the next sequence.
The automated fiber placement head applies heat and pressure to the composite prepreg, meticulously maintaining the load.
Make sure the sealant is tight around the edges.
Looks good. We are ready for the vacuum draw.
Check the connection points on the lower spar.
Surface looks good. No signs of warping or defects. Ready for integration.
Okay, route the blue harness through the center channel. Copy that. Watch for chafing on the edge there.
Ensure the brackets are aligned before the arm seals the sequence.
Confirmed. The system is reading green across the board.
Seals are good to go.
Ready for pressurization.
Alignment looks spot on.
And the torque is confirmed. Optimal.
Continuity check on junction box 4 complete.
Readings are nominal. Go ahead and seal her up.
Dihedral alignment looks good on my side.
Okay, I'm starting the sequence on the lower row.
We are clear for final torque.
The automated process uses multiple laser trackers to generate a three-dimensional point cloud, ensuring flawless symmetry. Pressure is stabilizing at target levels. Check connection point 4.
Clear. No leaks detected on the primary line.
With incredible precision, the synchronized cranes lift the colossal 42-meter structure from the assembly jig.
Scan confirmed.
Inventory updated for 400M wing box. Ready for phase 2.
The lightweight, high-strength aluminum alloy floor beams are carefully positioned inside the composite fuselage, forming the structure for the cargo floor.
The automated sequence is nominal. All fasteners are showing green.
Excellent. The primary load path is secure.
I've applied the lubricant to the hinge point. Okay, I'm checking the movement now. Looks good for lift.
Easy on the starboard line.
Holding steady, coming down slow.
Clear on the jack screws.
Okay, easy now. Bring it up another 2 meters.
Aligning on the east pylon. Hold steady.
Bring it up slowly, watch the coaxial reading.
Reading steady at .01.
Confirmed, green across the board.
We need to adjust the forward section slightly.
Confirmed. Alignment is now within specifications.
Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Steady, coming in now.
Okay, it's seated. Start securing the harnesses.
Stress test confirmed. We have minimal deflection across the wing box.
All primary systems initialized. Fly-by-wire checks complete. Aircraft is fully operational.
Sensor array connected.
Fuel pressure is stable. We are clear for the ground run.
Precision is key when applying the national insignia. These markings ensure compliance with international military standards and are essential for mission readiness.
The digital gauge displays the precise micron thickness, confirming the paint layer meets specification for durability and operational requirements.
Tow complete, parking brake set.
Roger. Initiating ground power connection now.
Walk around inspection active on starboard side. Ground control, this is flight engineer, status check complete.
Roger, engineer. Cleared for pushback and start.
Copy that. Pre-flight checks finalized.
Pallet coming down, stand by to receive. Copy that, bring it forward. Move, move, get these trucks loaded.
Approach checklist complete, confirming waypoint Charlie.
Roger that, Charlie confirmed, monitoring altitude.
Can you confirm the turbine integrity?
Affirmative. Slight wear on blade 4, but within tolerance.